Good morning, my dear friends. I am happy to be standing here today as the president of Eton International School Swimming Club. Thank you so much, everyone, for believing in me. Let me share how my journey started in this swimming club. I joined this club since Standard 1. I loved swimming and I wanted a platform to be able to improve my skills. This past 1 year, I not only improved my skills, I met great friends who helped me a lot in this journey. I would like to thank my mentor, Coach Mark, for teaching me about swimming. He taught me many swimming styles, especially freestyle and backstroke. I would like to thank my teammates for their encouragement. They all chose me to be their president. They are great friends. I would also like to thank my parents for supporting me. Without them, I will not be able to go this far. They kept cheering me, and every week I got better at swimming. For new members, our swimming club has a lot of benefits. Number 1, free entrance to our Olympic-sized swimming pool at school. Number 2, free training by our professional coaches. Number 3, represent the school to the competition. These are the 3 benefits. I will be serving for 1 year as the president of Eton International School Swimming Club. I would like to make an impact to all my fellow members. These are few things in my plan, which I would like to carry out. Number 1, hire more professional coaches. Number 2, try to win at least a gold medal in the inter-school competition. Number 3, make the school available to all the students in the school. I will not be able to do this myself. That is why I need all of you. Teamwork makes the dream work. I will serve with all my heart and I will give my very best for Eton International School Swimming Club. Thank you.